Hello everyone, this is James Shore with another test-driven development video. Today is May 14th, 2012. Before we begin, a quick reminder about my test-driven JavaScript Kickstarter that's been going on for a couple of weeks now, but I'm recording this right at the beginning, and so I'm still very excited about it. It's really something I hope you'll be interested in if you do anything at all with JavaScript. This is about doing professional JavaScript development. So check it out at letscodejavascript.com or just click the link on your screen. Now, when we left off, now it's been just a few hours since I last recorded, and when we left off, as I recall, what we were doing was we were switching the save file object into a user configuration object. And basically what we were doing here was turning the application inside out, or maybe more correctly, you could say we were turning this application right side out, because we were moving the data storage out of application model and down into user configuration. So that's what's going on there. I think now we're at the point where we can take this out. So I'm going to remove this, this, and this. Can't quite do that yet. Oh, and I already took it out of here, so I just need to take it out of here. So I don't even need to refactor. I can just do that. And that should still work. Yep. Get rid of that note. Okay. So I think user configuration is now well and truly inside out. Let's take a quick look at our tests, make sure that does everything we think it does. Really don't like returning nulls from methods, but in this case it seems appropriate. Yeah. Let's see, save creates a file. You know, now that we have this doSave method, I think we can factor out a new method called just plain old doSave, where we don't care about the actual values. Let's try that again. And yeah, we want to place 3 additional occurrences. So there we go. It didn't seem to pick them all up, but that's okay. Oop, that one. That one we want to keep. Okay, so that's looking good. That's looking good. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. I could change this to just pass in the strings rather than the new user enter dollars. But I don't think I'm going to. I think that abstracts a little too much. So yeah, that looks good. And that now we're not using any value. So we can bring that down here. Oh no, we are using it. We're using it right here. So I'm going to put that back. Okay, so I think user configuration has been turned inside out. Now I need to go back to application model and turn that inside out. And I've got a whole bunch of stuff that I've sort of just commented out. So we'll need to come back to that. But that's all around the area of saves. None of the existing functionality has changed. So I should be able to change this. What I want to do is get rid of these 3 fields, which are our configuration. And I think that will be pretty easy to do. I should be able to say in the constructor, well, let's rename this to be user configuration, or just configuration. And let's make it a new user configuration. And then this we don't need. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't think we need, we're not doing the dependency injection anymore. I don't think. Nope. So this now can become configuration dot. Oh wait, no, that one's not changed. It's these that have changed. Starting balance. Starting cost basis. And yearly spending. Should be able to just delete those. Not quite yet. Let me put them back for refactoring purposes. So set starting balance becomes configuration.starting balance. Set starting cost basis becomes configuration.starting cost basis, etc. And that should still work. Except it doesn't. Ooh, and it really doesn't. Okay, let's back that up. Okay. This should be working again. Yep. Let's try just getting rid of the starting balance field and forwarding it on to our user configuration field. That's what we missed last time. Still getting a null pointer exception. In our configuration panel test, oh, it's just happening all over the place. So what exactly? Oh, well, we're not setting the default values. Yeah. When I took that out, I changed the behavior of the code without thinking about it, without realizing it. And that's, so there's the tests coming to the rescue. What I need to do is to that. Still not working. Why not? It's failing here. Oh, our configuration. It's giving us a null pointer exception. Saying that, which should only happen if configuration is null, but I don't see how it could be. So let's troubleshoot this by assigning that to just going to do nothing. Just calling a do nothing method on that. Because if configuration really is null, well, I guess there's an easier way, but if that's what's causing our null pointer exception, then yeah, configuration is null. Oh, and it's happening here in init. Oh, it's an order of operations issue. Stock market projection. Interesting. Now our starting balance is null. Oh, of course, again, it's the order of operations. Well, that's kind of tricky. But our test saved us on that one. I had no idea about this issue. There we go. So now I think we can bring in our other issue, our other ones. All right. Okay, that took longer than I expected, and that is all of our time. So thanks very much for watching, everybody. I will catch you next time.